Discover the wholesome goodness of millet idli steamed in fresh banana leaves, a perfect blend of health, flavor, and tradition. This gut-friendly and gluten-free recipe brings back the authentic South Indian taste with a nutritious twist. The banana leaf not only enhances the aroma and taste, but also adds a natural antioxidants to your meal, ideal for weight management, diabetes, digestion, and boosting energy. This millet banana leaf idli is the perfect way to start your day. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken half cup of urad dal or black gram dal and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. Wash thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Depending upon the climate of your area, if the temperature is too cold, better to soak it in hot or warm water for better fermentation. The water should be just above the level of the grain. Like this, we have to soak the grain. Here I have taken 2 cups of barnyard millet. You can use any one of the 5 great millets. Rinse it once and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Barnyard millet, also known as sanva, kutiravalli or udalu, is a powerhouse of nutrition and a perfect grain for modern healthy living. Packed with dietary fiber, iron and essential minerals, this gluten-free millet helps in weight management, supports heart health and keeps blood sugar levels stable with the help of low glycemic index. It is rich with iron content and helps to fight anemia. After soaking, the grain has swollen perfectly. Now I am transferring it to grinder to get fluffy and soft idlis. If you don't have grinder, you can use mixie or mixer grinder. To get soft and fluffy idlis, I am transferring it to grinder. Use that soaked water. Don't add too much water, but just add little water. Here I am adding 1 cup of cooked barnyard millet. If you don't have cooked rice, then you can add poha. Now the batter is fluffy and soft. Now transfer it to a large vessel. And the millet is also soaked perfectly. Into that same grinder, I am putting the barnyard millet. Here just a few minutes is enough to grind. Just you have to make it coarse paste, not the fine paste. You have to grind barnyard millet into coarse paste. Like this. And transfer it to that same bowl. Add sea salt as per taste or pink Himalayan salt and give a good mix. Fermented foods like idli are rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that supports gut and overall health. The natural fermentation process breaks down complex nutrients, making them easier to digest and increasing the bioavailability of vitamin B12 and K2. Cover a lid and keep it for fermentation for overnight. Now let us make the idli cups with the banana leaf. Collect a few banana leaves and gently wash the leaves to remove any dirt or dust. Lightly pass the leaves over low flame. This helps to make it soft and flexible, preventing cracks while folding. Now separate it from the stem portion like this. And you will get thread from the stem itself and keep it separate to tie the cups. Again, I am wiping the leaves with the clean cotton cloth just to remove the water particle or any remaining dirt. Now fold it in cylindrical shape like this. The cup should be leak proof. Tie the other end like this and with the thread we got from the stem, make a tight knot. If you don't get any thread, you can use ordinary thread. This is eco-friendly, natural thread. Now our eco-friendly banana leaf cup is ready. This is leak proof, and I have made 5 to 6 cups like this. Next morning, batter is well fermented. Gently mix the batter. These fermented foods also help to maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a vital role in mood regulation, metabolism, and inflammation control. Including fermented foods in your diet can reduce bloating, promote clear skin, and support long-term digestive wellness. Now let us arrange steamer. Pour some water in the steamer and switch on the gas and allow the steam to come. Now pour our idli batter in our banana leaf cup. Don't put full, 3/4, and arrange in the steamer like this. Cover and steam cook for 30 to 45 minutes. After a few minutes of cooling, let us open and check the idlis. Nice aroma is coming. Banana leaves are chemical-free, biodegradable, and eco-friendly, making them a safe alternative to plastic or aluminum foils. They are naturally antibacterial, helping keep food clean and hygienic. Cooking in banana leaf helps to retain nutrients, adds a pleasant aroma, and gives a traditional touch to your meals. Now let us cut the idlis with the same thread which I have used to tie the idlis. You can see the softness of the idlis. Soft and spongy, barnyard millet idli is ready to serve. Serve it with any chutney or sambar of your choice. Friends, do try this healthy recipe at home and let me know how it has turned out. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.